You one girl. You see that girl there? People are trouble on the internet. The girl where I get the mix up and I come at her, both say Raja man cut out her belly and she says Shebada says so. Me not even change my curtain them so regular. Not even change my curtain them so regular, my love. Yeah. Say that you say Rosealee I got England. Hey Raja! Raja! I wonder how Raja and the slice. I wonder let me not go cross one video here one girl. You see that girl there? People are trouble on the internet. The girl where I get the mix up and I come at her, both say Raja man cut out her belly and she says Shebada says so. Why should I call that my name? Why? Why should I call that my name? I mean, if I really say something, I'm a sister. I just say word on the curb. Them say your man will beat you in a last year. Then a whole heap of things Raja go through. And the money get little, you know. Yeah, passa news. And you know, say, I never really say so. I never really say Raja man, you know. I just say Rajas. A man made news. A man made news. A boyfriend. But I don't remember what did you really truly use, you know, but I could have used Raja's meal. You know, but you know what? Raja man be told him now since Raja buy khaki. Raja buy body girl. Buy body girl. Buy the body, get the beating when the money done. Buy the body, get the beating when the money done. Buy the body, get the beating when the money done. Buy the body, get the beating when the money done. Raja is a body girl. Body girl. Buy body Raja. Buy the body, get the beating when the money done. Buy body Raja. Buy body, get. No man, that song good. Me I got studio no longer than a man. No longer than a man. Say need more money than Raja. They tell you say have money tire. God bless. Whatever way you walk and buy walking you. So anybody will beard and come under megabytes rich. Taya will know we know what kind of relationship you have filter. Taya, you're my little friend, you're my life, love, care for. Your mother leave you in my care. Me have to overlook you, me a grandian. And what they call it? When none of your parents look boy other people, grandians. What they call it? Grandians. Me say grandians. Grandians. You know what, Taya, you want the holy part grandians. Chow, me class on you. Yeah, guardian. This a guardian. Guardian. Again. Yeah, for sure. So you see? Boy, some girls have all the luck. And at this man, me look out for some sorrow and say me they go back out some care come again. It's like me know say life did go take you. And this man, me make some sorrow. Yes, me a nurse or up on the phone and me they collaborate with the sorrow there. Yeah man, me cure right up you see. And me say me they go back out some care come again. Cause I haven't seen you drinking any since the holidays. So just that me say, and look how life take you. Then you can imagine Rosealee. I know Jake's now gonna left you. Jake's now want the woman again. You have the man. You got the man. Holy and solely. Miss Alabama. You have the man, my love. Then you can imagine Alabama. You can imagine Rosie. Jake's at Airport. It's a pity they don't have wedding gallery. When I go look cute out there, I can see it already. The children coming to backside. Airport full. Airport full now. I owe this boy them can't recharge. You're not gonna make me joke on the dirty here, you know. Stop come from my program and talk about when I can't recharge. Let me telling you something, you see me? Telling you something about me. I like man them here. I like man them here, the one over here so string up. JPS no say over here so string up like guitar. And then just a drive past, Pink Party don't make a class, yo. Don't make high class, yo. I should open up and get one in. I want a TikTok sheet that's when I shut down. Lady Cheryl a long time, I don't see her. You don't walk a chat with the enemy them. You know my spirit always tell me something about you. Say you're not too with me, now you're against me. If me just follow my mind, me that man is from early last year, about January. So if they make it 1 year, you know. True or false, through. Yeah. So Rosealee, I'm gonna beg you run. No come back. No come back. But Jaden, the TikTok come back, you know, come for your spot. Come for your spot, number one. Jaden, I'm glad the TikTok come back, at least maybe can see Jaden. I want for him. Because TikTok locked down for 5 years, you know. What want for him? Wanna see him? Rosealee need a plane for herself. You know, this the girl where we're going to buy something for me a foreign. You know, this Rosealee the first one where I go a foreign from Jamaica. More with Jakes I go to the airport. Him can't go there with them sister in their face. Him can't have so much sister in their face and go to the airport. Mind the dog sniff him. Mind the dog sniff him. Yeah, him can't go to the airport with so much sis. Rosealee, so when you go over England, you go left Jakes. I know Jakes are gonna beat out your nasty, so it's like, I remember when I used to fly out, leave my man, them used to look at me through all the bathroom window. My heart broken. Because them did glad for my gun if I told the war. I never miss me. Them did look at me, I go through the gate for sure. Them tricked me. Yeah? The boy them tricked me. But myself, now I learn my valuable lesson. The boy them would never get a chance to trick me again, because I trick myself. Yeah. I make sure I tell them, Olivia Water! Oh, your birthday gone already! I'm glad I didn't put you up early, so if I never remember you can't cause. Me hate a boy will show up in body life and the masculinity. That's something me hate. Me hate a man will show up in body life and the masculinity. Not for all to understand what I'm saying, but let me explain to you. It's when a man quick for burn out every little thing body. I don't trust him. I don't trust you would it a stir shit. You would a stir shit. Yeah. No, for true. So you see Miss Davarella, an easy girl that for broke. No boy can't tell me say them I take my money and me a lyrics them. Which one of me I go lyrics them and them I go lyrics me, but just saying. And me a lyrics them and them cocky not have a beat. Your cocky must find a art. It have to find a art. Yeah, have to find a art. I know you're about text straight or text gay if you think. Don't play it out because you burn it out. Don't play it out. I saw it go. Anytime it's knocked at on a door, on a go like on a pack with testosterone. Oh, burn a body boy! But when you reach in the door, but if you don't think my gay ass straight text, move your so cocky self. You go down and eat shit off a body ear. Yeah, enough of them boy the outer road have false advertisement on them own. Enough of them boy they have false advertisement on them cocky. Me rate a boy who no make nothing bad them, but you know where you stand. Me respect you, me that take your clothes them and wash them. Yeah, you know where you stand, but you're in a business with a man. You know what you like, you know what you want. The more Batman the world have for you, and the more pum pum for you. Yeah, you know what you like. Yeah. So nobody can affect you. Number one, nobody never back gonna double head and tell himself about no batty boy when you know you take Batman money, and that's the funny part about life. And that with most sound man, Devalisha, nobody never back gonna your head and say Bona Batty boy. You took that on your own, and then you know you're born Batman and I take Batman money. All you are the devil ass with. Then you could have tell me something and me stand up for justice. Me have to stand up for brotherhood. No, for true. Then you can really and truly convince me all the women them when you ever sex them supposed to sad in them all. Them supposed to sad in them all now because false advertisement they depend on who them a suck and a ride. When you know a man you want, yeah, Devalisha, you know a man you want, you know a man you want, girl. You know your body twitch when you say dicks. You know a man you want. Nobody know about gun pan you. What motivate you to take Marky Markland money? Cause Marky Markland know we pack on Russell. He never bap it at edge the wall. Him not buy curious. Him not buy curious. Him double wobble and fabble. Yeah. Him not buy curious. Me not ask him to double wobble and fabble. Me not ask him to love him. I squabble double that. Them girl that squabble double. Them girl that cocky a shit stick. You ever hear them say you get the shit in the end of the stick? See they depend on the dick. If you can't find the shit. I don't come attack. Me not look on him now. Me not look on him because man like them they love too much spotlight. Man like them they love spotlight. Me don't know what kind of them girl are too honey. Them girl are born with nature before dignity. Me not ask you no. Them girl are too honey. Too honey. Too honey. Your mother, then him could have really whisper in my ears. The box for me that give me that think a mosquito. Me that have a clap you. Me done with the ear deaf. You that think you eat a pot of white rice. Yeah. All along, nobody never knows that you take Batman money because you alone supposed to straight at England. You alone supposed to there England straight. So if the story never tell you, you never get caught with your hand in the cookie jar. With your hand in the cookie jar. With him sod him out for true. Him get caught with him hand in a cookie jar. You come at about, yeah, me that take a batty boy money. If you take a money from a batty boy a country galaxy with me, I mean a rich. Then why me not sell this? Come here, time, God bless. Come really like you, but now you forgot action. Yeah. Yes, my love. Now you forgot action. Yes, my love. I want me to go talk about it again. Can I see one little bit, but it just a slip out of my memory. I see one little bit when I want to talk about it, but it just a go away from me, so. Yeah. 1 to the 9 million we did spend. Him the buy bike with it, my love. Buy bike. Remember Roger did a floss? Roger did a floss. And then Roger did one beat up Romisha, then baby father beat him up. Boy, I'm not gonna lie, my sister bad for strangers, but she not bad for her own. Then you can imagine this, boy, you are a ramp with knife. No boy can play me with knife. Them go play with them mother clit with knife and that them swing out a whole pan. Chop that limb if you know your mama breedy. Yeah, go cut that limb, you brighty. but play with knife. Roger, when my man them do me the things, them own it up. Yeah, look how much time I come on live when my man fat up my eye. Look how much time. Why me alone? You see, you Roger is a dirty sister. I know me a Cinderella and you're one of the wicked sister. Them, you. I know, because when my man fat up my eye, I come on live and own it up. I don't go behind door and talk say X, Y, and Z. Yeah, if not beat him, mom or him sister, just me alone him a beat. Me alone, yeah. Your sister Marky P. Marky is not my sister. Marky, when Roger can be my sister, Marky is never my sister. Marky by devil body and devil can spit some big spit, you say. It favor whitewash. Yeah. When devil talk, devil spit, them just jump out it. I think a man in a parachute. And you know, everybody talk and spit, but devil spit them come regular. It's just that Queen you want them clear, devil want them thick and white, as some know him racist. Yeah. Yeah, mad. Marky can't be my sister. Marky a loose cotton that in a Marky never come off on a cotton tree really. I'm one with me could have buy devil cocky, devil. Whatever David one name come suck me. I want to know if me a walk a buy cocky, I could have buy it for him one. If me a walk a look out on the internet for buy, I could never buy for him one. You mad? Mr. D. I could have never buy Mr. D khaki. But I tell you, enough of them a Batman and they never believe me. You see me? It's when a boy trouble me, I would style him as Batman. But you see, if you ask me one way, if I feel the same as Batman, I'm going to tell you the truth from heaven to earth before God and all mankind. I pledge your love and something another. I tell you, say, I don't even care about the youth because I don't know him. You get what I say? You see, Mr. D, I'm going to tell you something about Mr. D. From Mr. D come on the app, I know say Mr. D love man. Love man. Miss Devil. I don't know her name, I don't know her name. I don't know the lady name. What's she name? Davarella? If you never there, it's if you never get an opportunity, you da suck with a Jamaica like crazy. The whole of your top teeth, they would have leave Pankaki. The whole of your top teeth, they would have just leave pan body head. Anyhow, you never get an opportunity. Because I use it by any means necessary. The body that you have the body cocky and about there. By any means necessary. Devalisha, Elabella, Devalisha. Yeah. For sure. Because the old youths, you come like say, you advocate for, yeah man, I straightly say advocate for bond this, bond that, but yet still behind closed door, you have your woman, you know, want work, you rather take money from a man, you have your job, but you still take money from a man, and Marky Mark is not the only or the first one you do that to, as something you used to make you feel comfortable and can bond it out, where, eh? No, I'm a madman out there. Yeah, for sure. Me not trust so no. And then Marky, she careless. Marky coming like, Marky are one of them girl too. And Marky are one dirty girl with her pum pum, you know. Marky are one nasty girl with her pum pum. Marky pum pum coming like Mother Teresa, walk and help anything. Yeah. Marky are one careless girl with her pum pum. For sure, a careless, dirty girl with a vagina. And then that's about ladies, you know, you need to stop and you buy body and look who you buy cocky from. And Marky want shot with shit from a cow bottom. That's why, hey, me tell you this already, you know. Now care or you see some boy and some girl are going like them are happening, them not happening because them not shopping, not even on a Manhattan. Them not happen. Then Marky can come and talk about ladies because this and ladies because and look on the cocky where you are because you're boom boom desperate. A girl we can't get body lean, so a girl we can't get good man. That's why I don't envy girl in we go like them clean. Because obviously man don't want the carpet them with the fur. Man don't want the carpet them with the fur. Look like the man look the Super 8 carpet. Right, it's so on here. No, for true. Afternoon good as. No, it's not lie.